Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a tick symbol on your WPS presentation on mobile phone. If you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe and below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a tick symbol on your WPS presentation mobile, just going to show in this video. So for that, I just going to use my keyboard because there is no insert symbol option present on the WPS PowerPoint mobile. So instead of that, you can just use your keyboard. Here just using Google Keyboard or Keyboard, download from the Play Store. And now it's just going to insert the symbol here, tick symbol here. Just double tap here. Now click on this number section first, and you just need to click on the symbol section again like this, and you can find the tick symbol like this. You just need a more different type of tick symbol. Just click on this emoji option. So here just type as tick. So you can find all the different type of tick symbol, and you can just insert on your WPS presentation mobile. So you can use this your Google Keyboard as an alternative to insert the tick symbol or any symbol on your WPS presentation mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.